Hello, it's Brother here. In this teardown video, I steal several GPS devices from Gordon Wu. Because nobody can tell me I can't. So what's about the GPS device and this? Another thing came in mind, since the computers didn't include any BTA. So it's about it's a side mission. First let's do the side mission for money, I guess. So I have to deposit something here. And they are wired. So I only have to bring one. There's only one mandatory. And it's in here. Okay, how do I transport this? So it's in there. And it is heavy. But I have an idea. Let me quick save. What if I let go? I want to pick it up with the dump truck, but I don't know if the planks will hold it. Please. Yes! Right, now look. Quick save. Look at this. I know it's only one of many, but when I have more things, I'll probably do these things better. But for now, not here, not here, not here. Bro. Okay. Now a little quick save. I hope it's possible. Okay. So I could do more, but it's just a side mission. And I wanted to do it for the levels because, yeah. Now let's quickly choose the other one. Okay. Let's do it. So what do I have to do now? I have to take the GPS devices. So that's easy. I can take this boat here. I can take this boat here. This is here and this is here. I can take this here. I only need to drive a car from here to there and take all of the other ones. It's easy. That works. So I take this, run out of here, take the car. Don't tell me that it's all wired. Because that will be shit. Okay, so I take the car. So I can just drag it up there. That's really, really easy. Is this one mandatory or is it an extra? If it's mandatory, that's cool. It's an extra. Damn. Okay, but that's easy. That's one, that's two. Now let's go to the other side, to here. I'm worried that it's gonna be wired to the coast, and that's gonna be really bad. If it isn't, that's easy, but if it is, that's kind of worse. It's on the boat, right? Oh no, it's wired to the boat, that's easy. So just take the boat out there and holy shit, quick save. Okay, so that's another way in. Boom, take this, take this. Okay, so that's the way. That's one mandatory, one extra, one mandatory. There's only one left, which I can drive up there. I think I can collect all of them, actually. That's not gonna be that hard, really. I think that's a better car. At least looks like it. Okay, so let's take this car. Perfect. Quick save. That's gonna be sketchy. You know, I don't think it's the way. That's better. Okay, so that's 1, 2, and 3. Quick save, so I just can take it from here. Noted. Okay, that's pretty damn easy. Okay, so now I take this off. Where is it still holding on? Okay. So it goes into the right over. Boom. Boom. Boom, boom. Now that's pretty damn easy. Quick save. That's pretty easy. I can do better. I can do better. I still have 40 seconds of time. Now let's do it. Okay, okay, okay. Boom. Now let's go, let's go, let's go. It's easy. Boom. And drive here. Okay, so that's the whole thing completed. Boom, boom. That's one of the easiest missions I did. I don't know what else I could do here. Please, new level and new things. Is this what I think it is? Yes! Yes! Yeah! Hey guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed and see you in the next one.